Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to connect your Logitech G435 headset to an Xbox One step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to turn on your G435 by pressing and holding the power button until the LED lights start flashing. And the process number 2 is you just have to go to your settings on your Xbox One and navigate to the settings menu. And once you are in here, you should select Device and Accessories in the Settings menu. Go to Devices and Accessories, then select Bluetooth and other devices. Now, our process number 4 is to add the device. So choose the device and select Bluetooth. So make sure that you have to connect your G435. You should pair the headset, so your G435 headset should appear in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate the pairing process. So once you have clicked the G435 headset, it will initiate the pairing process and it will be successfully be connected. And thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in my next videos and see you in the next one.